welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about cars, performance, and luxury machines like this one, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an exciting review. Asterisk, imagine approaching a car that instantly feels like a statement before it even moves. This is the 2026 BRABUS Mercedes SL 63 AMG, a machine that takes the already impressive SL Roadster and pushes it into a completely different league. Built on the foundation of the Mercedes-AMG SL 63, this BRABUS enhanced version is not just about more power, but about sharper character and a stronger emotional connection with the driver at its heart. The car still uses the familiar 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but this is where BRABUS works its magic. Power is significantly increased through upgraded turbochargers and ECU tuning, pushing output well beyond standard AMG figures. The result is explosive acceleration that feels effortless, whether you are cruising calmly or demanding full performance. The exhaust note is another highlight, delivering a deeper, more aggressive sound that can switch from refined to ferocious at the press of a button. It is loud when you want excitement, and calm enough for daily driving when you do not. Performance is not just about straight-line speed, and this car proves it. The suspension is tuned for a perfect balance between comfort and precision, allowing the SL to remain composed on long drives while feeling planted and confident through corners. The all-wheel drive system ensures that power is delivered smoothly even when conditions are less than ideal, making this a supercar-level experience that does not feel intimidating. Visually, the car makes a strong impression. The exterior design is enhanced with a BRABUS Aerodynamic kit that includes a more aggressive front splitter, side skirts, and a sculpted rear diffuser. These elements are not only for looks, but also improve stability at higher speeds. Lightweight forged wheels fill the arches perfectly, giving the car a muscular stance without ruining its elegant roadster proportions. Subtle badging reminds you that this is something special. Without being over-dash the dash top dot inside, the cabin blends modern Mercedes technology with BRABUS craftsmanship. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents dominate the interior, all tailored to feel exclusive and personal. The seats are supportive yet comfortable, making long journeys just as enjoyable as spirited drives. Digital displays provide all the information you need, from navigation to performance data, presented in a clean and intuitive way that even known enthusiasts can appreciate. What truly sets this car apart is its dual personality. With the roof down, it is a luxurious grand tourer, perfect for relaxed cruising. With the roof up and sport mode engaged, it transforms into a serious performance machine that rivals dedicated sports cars. This ability to switch roles so effortlessly is the unique selling point that defines the BRABUS Mercedes SL 63 AMG. In simple terms, this car is for someone who wants everything: power, luxury, comfort, and exclusivity. It is not just a modified Mercedes, but a carefully re-engineered experience created by BRABUS, on top of the already legendary Mercedes-AMG SL 63. The 2026 BRABUS SL 63 AMG is a reminder that open-top driving can still feel raw, emotional, and incredibly special in the modern automotive world. Asterisk, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video.